How to put money on DoorDash Crimson Card. Open the Dasher app and sign in using your account details. At the bottom menu, tap the Earnings tab to access your payment features. In Earnings, select the Crimson Hub section. Find the DoorDash Crimson Card details here. This will show your current balance and options for adding or managing funds. By default, all DoorDash Pay is automatically deposited straight to your Crimson Card after each dash, usually within minutes of completion. You don't need to manually add your DoorDash funds. They're sent there instantly whenever you finish a delivery. If you want to transfer money from another bank account, copy your routing number and your Crimson account number from the app in your bank or payment app. Set up a transfer using these account details. Initiate an ACH transfer from your traditional bank account to your Crimson Card, just like sending money to any checking account. If there's currently no option to add cash directly at a store, if you have cash, first deposit it into a regular bank account, then transfer those funds electronically to your Crimson Card using the method above. You can check or redeem any cashback rewards within the Crimson Hub and move them instantly to your main balance. Subscribe.